This is a demonstration of StreamUX touch events over the UART interface. On the left of the screen I have the StreamUX serial tester, which can be downloaded from our website, and on the right I just have a video of the screen I'm using. The first button on the top left is set up to be a press plus release event generator. That means to get the touch event you have to press and release over the button, and you can see the event generated received there by the serial tester on my PC. If you press the button and release off the button, you do not get the event, as you can see right there. But pressing and releasing will give you the event. You can clear the window by double clicking. The button on the right up here up top is set up to generate events on all touches, meaning so when you press it, you get an event, and when you release it, you also get an event. If you press the button and release off the button, you still get the release event, as you can see there. Below that I have a slider. Sliders, when you press the slider or touch the slider, you get an event that it was touched, and then as you're sliding you do not get an event until you release the slider. When you release the slider, you get a different event that also includes the last position of the slider. If you release off of the slider, you still get that event. If you want to know real-time position of the slider, you'll need to look for that touched event and then pull the slider using the request event. So here's the request event. I'm going to send that, and you can see it's giving me the value. So if I press it and then slide, I can ask as I'm sliding. And then when you release, you also get that event. Finally, I have a keyboard here at the bottom. Keyboards, all the keys generate events as a press and release. If you press a button and release off of the key, you do not get the event. But you can see as you press the keys, you get an event of the key index. Now those keys are not modifying the string because I haven't set a target string. If I wanted to have them actually modify something, I need to tell it which string to set. And I've got one set up on the screen here. But now you can see these are modifying that target string, as well as generating the events.